Hello everyone, Kayla here with a huge box. This box is from threadup.com. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just making a video that I just really think is interesting. So if nobody watches, oh well, I made the video and I want to put it up. That's that. So I basically allowed someone that I don't know to pick work clothes. This is what is called a goodie box on threadup, so I have no idea what's in here. I gave them my size, I gave them a link to my Pinterest account, I gave them like a couple of brands that I like, and then I also selected a 9 to 5 box, so it's supposed to be for work. Other than that, I have no idea what is in this box, so I only have to pay for what I keep. So I'm gonna try on these clothes and see what's in the box at the same time you seeing what's in the box, so I'm gonna see what I'm gonna keep. Alright, first up is a blouse from the Loft Outlet. Yes, this is totally something that I would buy. When I was trying it on, it was already buttoned when I took it out. I tend to wear an extra small in the Loft, so it's easy for me to slip it on with it still buttoned and stuff like that. But I noticed that there was these flaps inside, so I'm assuming, here's the button, that I can button it to this part. And maybe I won't do this on the video live because I am not coordinated enough to get this done. But basically you can roll it up and wear it like that. Let me just roll it so you get the look of the quarter length sleeve with this. It's very flowy. I probably wear a black tank under it just to keep myself modest at work. But I very much like this. It's going to be great for our climate because it's really hot here. This is a Michael Kors dress. I'm still wearing my shorts because, I don't know, I didn't feel like taking them off. But it fits actually really nicely. I saw this dress on the website and I didn't know that it actually, I'm completely covered, like there's nothing showing, and the dress is actually pretty long. I had my camera set up for blouses because I didn't realize it was a dress on the top of this box. So I'm just going to stand on this chair to get the bottom half because I was not ready for anything on the bottom half. But actually it's pretty conservative over the top. I can wear this with like a blazer, and then the bottom is actually not inappropriate. I think I had this in my favorites on the site. But look at that. I know I'm wearing the shorts and they have pockets, but I didn't realize this dress was conservative enough. I didn't realize that this dress was actually conservative enough that I could wear it to work, and of course it'll be smoother without the shorts underneath. But I didn't know that, so like I'm really happy with it because I actually was looking at this on the site and wasn't gonna buy it because I thought it would be a little too. But hey, cute. This next item is from Lou and Grey. I've heard of Lou and Grey, but I've never like bought anything. It's a long top. I don't think this is a dress. It's way too short to be a dress. It's hitting me right here and it's very revealing at this part. It's racer back. I honestly don't think I'm going to keep this just because I don't know where I would wear this or what I would do with it, and I probably would never pick this up in the store. It's just not my style overall. It's a cotton sweater. I like the way that it feels. I love it. I feel like a sheep. Let me get closer so you can see. I feel very much like a sheep or something. But I don't know. I mean, I could probably wear this with like some jeans or something. It's weird feeling. I typically don't wear boxy things with the stomach out like this. So I'm probably going to return this item as well. I don't really love it and I don't know where I would wear it. It has a tank top and then it has a shirt, so, and they're attached. So I put on the tank top and like now I'm trying to put on the shirts. This is from a brand called Daniel Rain. Never heard of it before. Still has the tags on it, and it comes with additional button as well, so maybe someone never wore this and like returned it or something. But I typically never like stuff with this bubble thing on the bottom, but I like this. I like this shirt a lot. I have some maroon pants that this will look really cute with. I also have some green pants that this will look cute with. It's like a cream color, and then it has this detail here on the sleeve. And it's super sheer, which is why it comes with a shirt. It's cool, I don't have to get my own shirt, it comes with one. It's a very like silky type material, and the buttons are gold. I like it, it's pretty cool. This shirt is more fitted, so I definitely have had to like unbutton it fully and then button it back fully. However, it is very well fitted. It fits very nice. So, got the collar. It's very comfortable. Not like constricted in any way. Might have to wear a tank underneath it, but fits very nicely. It would look nice with just any old dress pants. It's a really cute shirt. I think I used to own a shirt kind of similar to it, but not this color. I like it. Probably will keep this as well. Alright, we've got another blouse. This one is from the Limited. It's kind of similar to the other one, but it just doesn't roll up. But it's kind of like, it has like a two-tier thing. I don't know if you can see that. There's two parts to it. And it's nice and flowy, and it's like got like peach and blue and navy on a red shirt. I like this. This is very cute. I very much like this top. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I'm keeping almost the whole thing. Y'all, my total at the end of this is gonna be so high after I pay for all this, because you pay $10, right? That's just the deposit to get the box to your door. Then the $10 goes towards the cost of whatever you keep. So depending on how much of this stuff I keep, that's where I'm gonna have to pay ultimately. And I selected like cheaper items. Like I didn't want my items to be super expensive because I'm not that kind of shopper. But I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, with this 5 items that I already want to keep. So I'm gonna be paying. I'm gonna be paying. This dress is from a brand called Maeve. I'm not familiar with it, but I like the top. Like it's low cut, but not so much that I have to wear a tank top underneath it. Let me get it from this view. There you go. And then it has like a flap across here. Let me get in the chair for this one. It's just kind of awkward to show a dress because with a dress, like you've got a top part and a bottom part. So let me sit down so you can see the top part clearly. Very nice. And then the bottom. And it's like a thick quilted type material. Now you get eye of that. It's like really thick and quilted, so I probably would not wear this like August, September. This is more of an October, November outfit. It's a little too thick to be wearing out here in these Florida streets, but I like it. Very nice. And I also like there's a little pull tag. There's a ribbon on the string on the zipper that makes it easier to pull up and down yourself. Alright, this skirt is from Nordstrom, and it still has tags on it, and it's very much like a kilt type style. I think I'm going to pull the camera down just a little bit more to further get it, because I think the next thing I have is a pair of pants. But basically, it's almost like, it reminds me of the skirts we used to wear in school. It kind of has a kilt type style to it. It's very simple and basic. I don't know if I necessarily love it, but I know that if I did keep it, I would probably wear it a lot. It even has pockets, and you know women's clothes don't never have no doggone pockets. This is a very versatile piece. Like I can wear this with just about anything and make it look nice. What I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it to the side, and if it's really cheap or I don't go ham and cheese with the other items, then I'll get it, but it's something I could live without it, truly. Alright, these pants are from the Loft, and whoever picked these is extremely smart, or they really know the Loft well, because they picked them up in a size 2 when I usually wear a size 4. Because if you go to the Loft, you need to go down a size. They cut their clothes big, and so whoever picked these clothes knew, because I had my regular size on everything, but they still got these pants in a size 2. So I love the shape of these. My undies are showing a little bit, but the undies I'm wearing today are kind of high. It wouldn't normally be like that, but I think my butt looks alright. Have a little fake pocket situation. I like the pockets here. I like the stripes. This is super cute. And then you know what? It's an ankle pant, so it doesn't go all the way down. So actually, I don't own anything like this. I don't own any pattern pants like this. And I could see myself wearing the heck out of these. Maybe with a more basic looking top or something. Probably even with some of the tops that I got. I know with that cream top, I could probably wear this for sure. So, and maybe if a basic blue, like, you know, like, I don't know how to describe the blue, but a basic blue button down or something, I could wear this. So, I think I'm definitely going to keep these pants because I haven't bought pants in a really, really long time. I haven't bought clothes in a really, really long time. So, I'm going to go and see how much money all of this is going to cost me. And then I'll decide whether or not to keep the red skirt or not. I've crunched the numbers on everything that I've decided to keep. I am keeping the women's limited 3/4 sleeve blouse, the Ann Taylor long sleeve blouse, another Ann Taylor short sleeve blouse. I'm keeping the Maeve casual dress, the Michael Kors casual dress, the Ann Taylor dress pants, and the Daniel Rain 3/4 sleeve blouse. So in total, that's going to run me $177.93. So I came in under $200. And I knew with the price range that I selected that I could probably be paying anywhere between $200 and $400, I think, for everything in the box. And I'm someone who does not buy clothes, so I don't mind spending a little bit more. These are name brand items. They're secondhand name brand items, but so you're paying like what you would pay full price for something that's cheaper, basically. So I don't mind it, but I don't think it's worth keeping the red skirt if I don't love it, even though it's not expensive. It was only $23.99. So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to return these 3 items, and I'm going to keep all the other ones because I love them. Thank you guys for watching this video if you tuned in. I know it's not a hair video, and so not everybody enjoys watching things that are not hair related. And we'll be back next week with a hair related video for you guys that love the hair videos.